In this video, I'm going to test out this Weiman glass cooktop cleaner and polisher. It's an entire kit that has these scouring pads with this nice handle and a little knife to scrape this stuff off. This is normal wear and tear for a cooktop, and you can see these rings here. This is what I'm hoping that this is gonna clean. I've never used it before. I wanted to test it out because I haven't found anything that works really that great. To start, what I'm gonna do is show you just about how clean I've been able to get this with regular cleaner. So I'll spray this down, wipe it down, and we'll start from there. Okay, that looks pretty clean, but as you can see, all of this caked on, burnt on stuff on the burners. You can see this is our favorite burner. All of this is really, really hard to get off, so I'm hoping that this kit will work. First step is I'm gonna shake this up, make sure that the cooktop is not hot. It's completely cooled down before you do this. And I'm gonna start with a paper towel to kind of spread this stuff around on the tough spots, which is all right here and right here. I'll take a paper towel just to spread this out. Like that. And then this one, kind of like that. Now I'm gonna take this pad and just start scrubbing this. You can see there's little tiny pieces of grit in here, and that's going to help to loosen this stuff up. So just in a circular motion, start going around. You can see it starting to turn colors. I think that's a good sign. And obviously you can do your entire cooktop. I'm concentrating on these two burners because they're obviously the worst. Just wipe it off with a paper towel. That's pretty good. Look at that. So already that's really good. And then you kind of polish it in like this. Okay. So that's great, but I'm not done. If you look close, you can see there's still a lot of burnt on stuff here. So I'm going to do the same thing I just did. Spread it around. Right here, it's really bad. I'll put some more on there. I'm going to get this down to this as well. See if all this comes off. Okay, that's good too. But again, there's still some tough spots here. Let's do round two. I'm not going to put as much on this time. Just going to go around this outer ring where it's bad. And then I'm going to take this pad, just with the tip, just spread it around a little bit, scrub it a little bit more, and concentrate around the ring. Now I'm going to take the razor, and this is nice that they ship it with it backwards so you don't end up cutting yourself. But to flip it, you just loosen this, pull this up and out, and then put it back in. Make sure it locks in right there, and tighten it. And then you can take this and go around that ring and try and carefully scrape some of the burnt on stuff off of here. Again, so you can see it. So we can do a before and after. So right there, there's some. That got a lot of it. And then if we go around again with the scouring pad, hopefully we'll get it all off. Or most of it, anyways. You can tell it's working looking at that blob of brown. just going at a couple different angles. Yours might be not as bad as this, or it might be worse. Guess it's gonna depend. But this is working better than anything I've ever tried so far. Just try and keep this razor slightly angled. Try not to let it skip and bounce off and actually scratch the top. Go around one more time. Wipe this off so we can see. You can see that's definitely working. Okay, a real close look. Oh, it's almost all gone. Some right there. Just a little bit around the ring. Some of this might not come all the way off. I guess you could do it over and over again, but that's up to you. I'm gonna go one more time with this. Again, just around the ring. And then I'm putting more pressure on the edge here. I feel like that'll help. So when you wipe this off, go like this, and then get a dry part of the paper towel, and you can polish it away. That looks awesome. There's still a couple tiny spots, but man, what a difference. So I'm gonna call that one good. I'll do the same thing over here, scrape it down, and I think we're gonna be good. Tiny little spot right here. I could keep going, but that's way better. So, okay, for my first time using it, pretty easy to use and it worked awesome. So if you needed to clean your stovetop, you could try this kit out. And what's nice is you have extra pads, so this will work for a while. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.